Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Hunt County in north central Texas, Hopkins County in north central Texas, Rains County in north central Texas, eastern Lamar County in north central Texas, Delta County in north central Texas until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Cumbie, or 8 miles south of Commerce, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greenville, Sulphur Springs, Commerce, Cooper, West Tawakoni, Emory, East Tawakoni, Cumbie, Como, Campbell, DePort, Cooper Lake Park, South Sulphur, Cooper Lake Park, Doctors Creek, Point, Lone Oak, Tyra, and Naylorville. This includes Interstate 30 between mile markers 98 and 142. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A severe thunderstorm